Hello, everyone. This is Professor Burns. We are coming into the home stretch of the semester. Holidays and the end of semester are nearing. You should already have a research essay conference time reserved for next week. If you need help beyond the video instructions, stop into a Zoom. I'm happy to help you. If you would like guidance with your research paper, join a Zoom, schedule a time with me, schedule time at the Writing Center, or use the librarians for assistance. Everyone wants you to be successful. Essay number 3 is a researched argumentative essay. 4 to 6 pages, 4 full page minimum. You will not pass the course if you give me less than the minimum requirement for your research paper. Use only the Valencia Library databases for resources. Sorry about that. Also, only write about approved topics, or your paper will not be accepted and graded. Do not submit a recycled paper, your high school paper, for instance, or a paper you wrote for another class. Do not submit a plagiarized paper. It is very important that you cite correctly and carefully, that you cite everything that's paraphrased, and direct quotes in text and on your works cited page. Watch for open Zoom times. I'm happy to help you. I will have a lot of times posted. Also, feel free to pop into a Zoom at a non-reserved research paper appointment time for help. If you look at the screen, these are your calendar, your conference times that are available. Anytime there's one that's still available, that's no one's reserved, that means that I'm going to be on Zoom and you can pop in, okay? But do not leave reserving your own conference time until the last day. I am not adding more times onto the appointment times that are already available. There are plenty available. If you wait until the 22nd at 4 p.m., I am not going to come onto a Zoom conference with you on Thanksgiving. Sorry, that's my holiday as well. So you need to reserve now if having your appointment on the 21st or 22nd is important to you. I am looking forward to our conferences. I love helping you be successful in writing your paper. I am very happy to go over your paper very carefully and give you the advice you need to be successful. Okay, so please work hard on your papers this week. If you haven't got me an outline, get it to me. You shouldn't be waiting until the last possible day because you want to be able to get feedback and get working on your paper. Okay, give me a call if you need me. Pop into Zoom. I'm going to sign into Zoom right now and be on all afternoon while I'm grading. Okay, see you all soon.